And you know, one of the most powerful things about our faith, one of the most beautiful aspects of Islam, and truly it is mind-boggling, it is something that should humble us, it is something that should incentivize us. Allah Azza wa Jal did not create us all equal in this life, that is a fact. Some of us are the children of princes and kings, and others are born in slums. Some of us Allah has blessed with physical powers, and others are born physically disabled. Some of us Allah has blessed to be born in wealthy families, others are born in poverty. Some of us Allah has blessed to be utmost handsome and beautiful, and others are not. In this world, Allah Azza wa Jal says, قَسَمْنَا مَعِيشَتَهُمْ بَيْنَهُمْ فِي الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا. In this world, we have divided people up. Everybody has some good and bad, some positives and negatives. You have to deal with it, right? No one has absolute perfection. So in this dunya, we are all created different. Our talents are different, our weaknesses are different, our strengths are different, our potentials are different. No human being in all of the human history has the exact same characteristics and potential and environment and sphere of influence that you do. You are 110% unique. In all of human history, throughout all of mankind, how many billions? 10, 20 billion? You are unique. So in that sense, everything's not equal. But, and this is the amazing, mind-boggling thing, you cannot aspire to things of this world equally. I'm in all likelihood never going to be a king. Not that I want to, but I don't want to be a king. But in all likelihood, I'm never going to be a king. But there are people born to that destiny, and they know from birth they're going to be kings. I can't choose my destiny in this world. In this world, we are not all equal. And Allah Azza wa Jalla says there's wisdom in this, by the way. But, and this is the powerful, mind-blowing reality, despite all of this diversity of 20 billion people, no two are exactly the same, no two's potential in this dunya is exactly the same. Every single human being has the potential to earn Firdaus al-A'la as they are here and now, given the circumstances they have been born into. Think about that. The playing field has been leveled 100% when it comes to Jannah. In this world, I'll be the first to say the playing field is not level. 100%. The one who is born to a rich family, the potential of good education, of, being spoiled since childbirth, that's different, no doubt. In this world, the playing field is not equal. And Allah says this is for a wisdom known to Him. In this world, no two people have it exactly the same. But Allah created life in such a miraculous manner that it doesn't matter the circumstances of your birth. It doesn't matter where your family comes from. It doesn't matter the level of wealth you inherited. Jannah, all of it, and even Jannatul Firdaus, the highest level, it is just as accessible to you as it is to the person next to you. Isn't that mind-boggling? Isn't that an amazing perfection of human equality that Allah has given us? Now, when you understand that, when you understand that you and I, and every person sitting here, and the entire globe has the same potential. I didn't say the same path, but the potential. The path will be different. The path for the rich person is different than the poor person. The path for the one born a king is different than the one born, in an average family. The path is different. I didn't say the path is the same. The tests are different, but I said the potential is equal. No person is deprived of the potential to enter Jannah because of this dunya. And this is, again, such a mercy from Allah. Imagine if Jannah were not equal. We'd have an excuse. So Allah, it's not fair. I didn't have. You said to enter Jannah, I have to give $1 million. I never had $1 million. No. Jannah is equal opportunity access. And Firdaus al-A'la is equal opportunity access. Every one of us can get there in spite of our strengths and weaknesses. It's what we do with what Allah has given us. It's how we live our lives. It's achieving the maximum potential, not compared to anybody else, not compared to any of the other 20 billion of mankind, compared to you yourself. You are your own competition. It is against you and your potential that you will be judged. There is nobody else that's being brought into the examination hall. On the day of judgment, you will be judged alone, depending on your circumstances and what you did and the potential you reached. How can you possibly complain when the results have nothing to do with anybody else? Allah Azza wa Jal will ask you, what did you do with what I gave you? And for some people, to max out that potential would be 10% of another person's max potential. If that person maxes out his potential, he gets the firdaus. The other person does 5% of the first person, and he might just barely make it to Jannah because he could have gone 95% higher, but he chose to be so low. So when your competition is against yourself, when you are only competing against your possible potential, then what excuse do we have? Ya ayyuhal insanu ma gharraka bi rabbika al-kareem. How are you deceived? Allah has made the playing field equal for all of us. It's just a matter of how we live our lives, how ethical we are, how God conscious we are. It's a matter of perfecting whatever Allah Azza wa Jal has allowed us to perfect in our daily routine.